Olá! Welcome to the Portuguese Lab podcast. Today we are looking at the difference between porque and porquê. I'll explain the difference with a few examples, and after that you'll listen to a dialogue where you can see both words in action. The translation of the examples is available on the video. If you're a member of the Portuguese Lab Academy, be sure to practice with the available exercises in this lesson. Let's get started. When do we use porque? Option number 1. Porque is used when you're giving the reason for something. It's a conjunction that means it connects two sentences and it determines the cause for something. It means because. For example, eu cheguei tarde porque acordei tarde. I arrived late because I woke up late. Option number 2. Porque is used when you're asking what the reason for something is. It means why. For example, por que é que chegaste tarde? Why did you arrive late? And option number 3. Porque is also used in indirect questions to determine the reason for something. Again, here it means why. For example, ela perguntou-lhe por que é que ele não lhe telefonou. She asked him why he didn't call her. So as you can see, porque can either mean why and because. Now let's look at porquê. Option number 1. Porquê is also used when you want to know the reason for something, but when the word porquê is alone or at the end of the sentence. And it also means why. For example, chegaste tarde, porquê? You arrived late, why? Diz-me porquê. Porquê? Tell me why. Why? Option number 2. Porquê is also a noun. O porquê, the why. For example, diz-me o porquê de reagires assim. Tell me the why, the reason for you to behave this way. Now let's see porque and porquê in action in a short dialogue.
Emprestas-me dinheiro?
Não.
Porquê?
Por que não? Diz-me lá, por que é que não tens dinheiro?
Preferia não dizer.
Mas porquê? Se eu não souber o porquê deste pedido, não te empresto nada.
Está bem, porque pedi dinheiro emprestado e agora preciso de o devolver.
A quem é que pediste dinheiro emprestado?
A ti?
Do you need some structure and guidance in your learning process? Head on over to the Portuguese Lab Academy and learn with the step-by-step online courses, from grammar to vocabulary, verb conjugations, pronunciation, and dialogues. The Academy offers you the flexibility and support you need to learn European Portuguese. Become a member at portugueselabacademy.com.